Hello everyone, welcome back to new tutorial of web development. Today's in the web development session, we are going to discuss about basics of HTML, basics of HTML, where we'll see like today about headlines, paragraphs, images, tables, and titles. First of all, we'll go for like HTML headlines. What this HTML headline exactly it will do? So okay, HTML headlines are defined with the angular bracket HL means it's like a tags. I'll tell you by VS Code. We'll go for the VS Code like whatever the content you want to like display on the browser, no, it should be written in the body section. But first we'll write here angular bracket and we'll write a h and we'll close this angular bracket, and here we'll need to like write a title. Okay, and one more announcement, like today's in this video we're going to like create or like one basic, very basic personal website called like a personal link collections or something. Okay. Today's in this video, we'll create a very basic website where in the website like all will collect all the like links of the website, different website. It may be like Google, YouTube, or our own like NapPy website or something. Okay. Today we'll like create a very small like website with a very basic HTML, and where we'll store all the links of our thingy. Fine. First of all, like let us discuss about like what is headings. So headlines. Actually, these headlines are like defined with this angular bracket h, and we will call, and again one more thingy. This initial h is there, no, like angular bracket h. This is called a open tag, and this is called a closing tag. Fine. And one more thingy, like this headlines are there now. We can write these headlines like up to six, means which very important headlines will write initially, and like whatever the subheadings are there now, we'll write one by one, up to six headlines we can write. I will just tell you like uh, I'll give example and I'll explain. uh, I have opened one Wikipedia. In this Wikipedia you can see this history is there now. In this is the history, this is the main headline, right? In this main headline we have like ancient India, and you can come here like medieval India, and early modern India, and modern India, and these all are the subtitles of history, right? History is a main headline. You can see here like history is a main headline. Under the history, we have like a like more sub headlines. Again, if you come for like a geography, in the geography also it is a main headline, right? Geography is a main headline. Under the geography, we have like sub headlines called climate, and one more thing is biodiversity, and okay, those are the two sub headlines of geography. Once you, if you come for like in the government and politics, we have many more like sub headlines. Like is one is like a politics, and one more is government, and administrative divisions, and again you can see like states, union territories, and all the stuff. Like in the headlines we'll come across many like different sub headlines in the any website. If you can take example, I just took the one Wikipedia website. I opened the Wikipedia website. In the Wikipedia you can see under the headlines, like this side you can see under this history we have like a more four sub headlines. One is ancient India, medieval India, like early modern India, and modern India. Like in the websites, no, like we'll be writing some headlines. In the headlines also we'll come across many sub headlines. So how to write the headlines and how to like write the sub headlines, we'll see in this video. Fine. For that, first we need to like initiate that. This is the first one, right? First, you need to take a cursor, just click here, and we'll make this as a one. First, we'll just put a alt and we'll just copy this thingy. Okay, to copy this, we have one shortcut in a VS Code. We should use Alt Shift and downside arrow. If you click Alt Shift downside arrow, this will come. You can like duplicate the statements. No need to type again and again. These are the shortcut. I'll tell again. Alt Shift and downside arrow. You just click that. Whatever the things are there, no, they'll get copied. Fine. And again, one more thingy. Like we should like tell that it is headline number one, headline number two, according to priority wise. Like it is our main headline means I'll write here like it is a headline number one. Okay, you can see like it is headline number one. Just give me a while. I'll write again. Fine. I have written this is headline number one. And again, most of you got like shocked. Like I just typed one side, like how this one and one here came. For that, we have again one more shortcut in the HTML. Just wherever you want to like take a cursor, no, just click there and press Alt. And again, you can press a multiple times wherever you want. That if in one place if you have written anything, and automatically it will like duplicate it in the some other place. Fine. Here will here we will take fine. and we'll just name everything. H1, H2, H3, up to H6 you can take. Up to 6 sub headlines you can make, and don't go like more than 6, because more than 6 if you took means that size won't be appearing properly or something. We'll see. We'll take here one more thingy. Fine. We'll write now like fifth month here. Fine. We'll write here sixth one. Fine. Actually, these are the headlines. If you like whatever we want to like display on the browser or something, we'll execute this program. Now we'll got to know. Just give me a minute. It is executing. Okay, we can see it is showing it is a headline. Under the headline, we have like a sub headline. This is and this and this and this. Like I'm telling, why we should use only like a six headlines, because if you go on to like 7, 8, and 9, no, it won't be seeing it is it won't be appearing on the screen, because the size of the headline, no, it will go on decreasing because of that one. Like we'll just make some changes here. Okay, we'll do some changes here. Like we'll write here personal, just personal in the second headline, and in the third headline we'll change that. Some different thingy will do the here. Okay, fine. We'll try to execute this. Now we'll got to know. You can see now. You can see first. You go through the whatever the program is there. Here in H1, H1 is nothing but it is a main headline, and H2 is a sub headline, and H3 is again it is a sub headline of H2 or something. It go on like writing this, and yeah, once we go for this browser, you can see. This personal link collection is there now. It's our main headline. Under this, we have like personal and link collection. These all are sub headlines of this personal link collections. Fine. Now you can like ask me like why we should write under this headline tag. We can what if like we have written this directly without like writing this tags or something. That code is it won't get execute properly, because you should tell the browser no like what we want exactly. This H1 tag is there, no, this head tags, this headline text, it will tell the browser that this person want to display the headlines. So for displaying the headlines we need to use this h1 or h this tags like headline tags. Fine, now I think most of you got to know about this h tag or something. And one more thing, yesterday while like telling about this basics of HTML, I skipped one thing. You can see here like len language is equal to en is there. No? What it is exactly? We are telling the browser that we are using the English language for the HTML. You can see like this is lang is there. No? Lang is nothing but language. En is nothing but English. We are telling that browser or like a person that if someone are coming to our website, we'll tell that we are using the English language for the HTML. Okay. I think most of you got to know about this headlines or something. Okay. Uh, okay. This is all about like this headline thingy. You can go, all of you go through this notes also. Here in the notes also we have written this, and H1 is defined as the most important headline, and H6 is defined as the least important headline. And we have given the example also here, like this is headline number 1, headline number 2, headline number till up to headline number 6. We have given the example, and here you can see the output also. Like our output also came the same like this type only. No, you can see here like previously. You can see like that first important headline is there. No? It is like highlighting more, and it is coming under like you can see it is a main headline, and again in the headline we are coming into sub headlines, and the headline the size is there, and the size also getting go on decreasing. So you can see here in the ppt also we shown that this is the input of the code, and we are getting the output. Okay, this is all about the html headlines. If you have any doubts means you can like later comment in the comment section. We'll just clarify your doubts there itself. Fine. And now coming for the html paragraph. Okay, the HTML paragraph will go. And first of all, the HTML paragraph are defined with the angular bracket p. It's nothing but a paragraph tag. We'll tell that paragraph tag angular bracket p, and we'll close this. And this is nothing but a paragraph tag. It automatically adds some of the space before that, before and after the paragraph. We'll see to this. Fine. First, we'll execute this stuff again. Okay, we'll come here only, and we'll write a p, and yeah, we'll add some paragraph here something. Here we'll write a paragraph something. Hi, I am I'm learning a HTML program with NapPy. Okay, we have written on a small line or something. We'll call it as a paragraph. We'll try to execute this stuff. I am learning a HTML paragraph with a NapPy. We'll see. We'll try to execute this stuff. You can see under the headline we are getting our para. It is showing like here. Hi, I am learning a HTML paragraph uh, program with a NapPy. It is very simple that here we are showing like whatever the paragraphs are there. If you want to write any paragraphs, we need to use this p tag, paragraph tag. For that, we have to write the angular bracket and we need to write a p and we need to close this angular bracket. And this is called like a opening tag and it is called a closing tag. Closing tag. Whatever the content we want to write now, we will write in between that like starting like opening tag and in between the like closing tag. This is all about this para like a paragraph is there no. This is all about like for HTML paragraph. Uh, okay, just give me a while. We'll go for next slide. Okay, you can go with the notes also, and notes and all the stuffs are also uploaded in the website. Also, you can go through it later. And yeah, next coming for that HTML images. Now yesterday we seen like if I want to like display any videos on the browser by using the HTML, how we need to like display the videos. Yesterday we seen no yesterday in the video. Today we'll see like how to display the what we tell images on the screen. Today we'll go through that thingy, right? Okay. For that, first let me take some images from the browser itself. First, let me take some images. I'll just go like take some images of any sports player or something. Okay, I'll go with Hardik. Okay, we'll go with Hardik Pandya. We'll just take some of his images. Okay, we'll take this. We can take the screenshot of anything. I'll just take his screenshot. Okay, fine. Now we took the screenshot. Now let me open the folder. And yeah, whatever the images you are getting now, you should save them. Fine. Like this is the image. No, I'll just save this stuff. Okay. In the main folder, like whatever the folder you took for that creating the VS code, no, in that only you should like put this images in the HTML here itself. Okay, here I'll paste this image and I'll just rename this thingy. Okay, I'll write this image dot png something. Okay, fine. I'll save this name as image dot png. Fine. Now you can see here also it came in this folder also it came image dot png or something. Fine. Okay, now if I want to display any images on that browser means what I will do, we have like one more thingy. You can see, I'll just go for this stuff. Okay, for like displaying the images on the screen, we have like a image tags. That is nothing but angular bracket image and SRC is nothing but what will tell SRC is nothing but it is a source of images. Like we saved no, like previously we saved in the folder that is a image source. You can store any JPG files and any PNG files. No need to worry. It is nothing and we need to use the at alt for the naming that image whatever the image name is there we should make name for naming that image we'll use the alt and width and height also we can mention there itself and I'll tell we'll come for this width and height also. First we'll just take this images on the screen. First we'll display the images on the screen. For that we'll just go here and we'll write a image. Just give me image src is equal to yeah, in this we need to write our image name. Yes, it is showing here. No, I'll write this image name, and yeah, I will just try to execute by keeping its name. Alt is equal to like this is image of Hardik. No, I'll write the name Hardik. Okay, fine. I have written the name Hardik. Yeah, we'll try to execute this now. Okay, you can see like clearly see like that images is displayed on the browser now. Okay, this is a simple. I'm telling again. For displaying the image on the screen, we have like a image. This what do we tell? Image tags you can see here like clearly in the example also we shown here like this angular bracket image and src is nothing but a source of the image and alt is there. No, alt is nothing but that image name. We should like tell that whatever the images are there we should like mention that image name also. I'll tell And most of you got like mismatched or something. You seen like we have written the image name like Hardik. When we display this image on the screen on the browser, you can see like nowhere that name is mentioned. No, only that image came, but Hardik name is there. No, that Hardik name didn't mentioned on the didn't displayed on the browser. Like most of you got confused now. We'll say like why we have to write that alt means whatever it is there. No, alt name. Why we should write? Imagine this in the image. Like I will tell like image number one. I'll just give image one dot png. Actually, this image didn't don't exist in our folder. We'll try to execute this program now. We'll see whatever the output come. Now we'll get understand like why we have written that. You can see like that image one is there. No, image one is we don't have image one in our folder, so it is showing this emoji, and beside that emoji, it is showing Hardik. Means it is indirectly telling the Hardik image, whatever you want to display on the browser, it is not in their folder. Like whatever the source is there in the source folder, it is not there. So because of that only we'll write this stuff. If that image is there means it won't display that image name or something. I'll just take a backslash and we'll just run this program again. We'll just run this program again. We'll see. We'll just run this program. Now you can see that Hardik name is there. No, like Hardik photo, it is like a coming on the display, but name it won't be showing. Fine. This is all about this alt also. And I told you one more thingy. We can adjust that height and like width of the image also by using the pixels. Fine. We'll come through here. We'll come. Just give me a while or something. Okay, fine. Here, like after this, that image tag is there, no, like angular bracket image tag. After that, we need to like write the width or something. Width, I want like a width. Width is equal to like I want a width like a 23 or something. Fine, we'll take anything. 23 pixels width I want. I'll write this stuff, and we'll try to execute this program. Fine. Hmm. I'll just try to execute this program. Fine. Okay, you can see like now our image is there. Image got like a very small one. You can see like a uh, you can see like image got very small. Why? Because like uh, we like calibrated the width here. No, like we told our width should be the image width should be at 23 pixels. Here no need to like write the pixel p or something in the HTML. Just write a 23. So I written here 23. If I like write here like a 230 pixels, we'll see like whatever happens. We'll see. And most probably that the width of the size will should be increased now. Okay, you can see like the width of the size got increased, right? uh Fine. We'll go again and we'll see like we'll write we'll just increase the pixels more and more. We'll write pixels 800. We'll see. Just I gone for go live again. Now you can see that image got like more width. Image size has become more, right? It got increased. Why? Because like we are telling, we are giving the command like width command we are giving, and this width is it is like describing like it is calibrating the width of our image. So let me keep like 230 itself, and nowhere like we should like keep only width. We can go for height also. We can give the height attribute also. I'll just write here height. Okay, we'll just give a height attribute. Fine. Okay, we'll just try to run this height attribute. Okay, now it is like a normal itself. We'll see. We will give like a more now this time. 800 will give. Okay, I give the go more. Now you can see like that height is the height of the image got increased. Fine. And at the same time, you can like mention both also height and width of the images. And if it is better, like if you mention only one, it's okay. If you mention only height of the image, like automatically that width is took like perfectly. And if you mention that width means that height of the images will be took perfectly. Okay, this is all about for like our images there, no image HTML tag. Fine, you can go through it also. Like once if you come for this PPT, like whatever the notes are there, no, in this notes we have shown here like here we shown like image src and image alt and width of the images we can like display on the screen. Okay, this is all about like HTML images. Okay, now we'll go for a HTML table. And HTML table is it's very important, important, I'm telling again. We'll go for now HTML tables. Okay, HTML tables are it is actually defined with the angular bracket table. We'll call it as a table tag or something. Fine. We'll tell a table tag or something. And yeah, this is the whole code. I'll tell you. This is the whole code you can see in here. And yeah, I'll just write the whole code in the VS Code now, and we'll just try to build some tables here. For that, we need to like give Angular table, Angular column, and write the table, and we need to close this stuff. And again in this table, we have to write like a thingy, like rows we want to in the tables we have rows or something, right? We should like mention that also. Tr means it's a row tag. Under the row tag, we should like create a what we tell headlines, whatever headlines if you want means in the rows. Okay, here I'll write the th and I'll close and I'll write here like yeah, I'll give the uh, name name of the student or something, and yeah, I'll just copy this whole thingy again here. Okay, we'll just write the three headlines, and in the name section, I'll just cross this and I'll tell college, college. Okay, and we'll take here like a roll number, or like we'll take a favorite subject or favorite language also you can take. Fine. Okay, this is a rows, and now we want a columns, right? We need a columns, right? For that, we'll take again here one more thingy tr. We'll create one more row. Under the one more row, we'll take a what we tell. We'll just whatever the things. Okay, we'll write here like td, and here we'll write our name means I'll answer for every questions. Here we'll give a nap, and we'll just copy everything again downside. Okay, we'll give a nap here, and again one more thingy we'll write here again td, and we'll close. And the college, no, we can give anything, whatever the college name is there, you can give. And yeah, again we'll write here td. And now the favorite language, you can give anything. I'll give c is my favorite language. I'll just give. And this is whole your table. Now let me explain in brief like whatever you have written here in the table column. First, for writing the table in the html, first what we need to do, first we need to like write this table tag, whatever it is there, no, table tag. It is opening table tag and it is a closing table tag. In this we need to like write a tr, means it is a table rows. This is a table row. We need to like write a opening table row and closing table row, and same goes for down also. And what the th means, th means it is called a table headline. Now I think most of you got what is th. Th means a table headline here. And yeah, this is td means it is like a normal like stuff, whatever the th is there, no, like the th will write a headlines, in the td will write the answers for everything, like whatever the documentary is there or something data. Like td is something but a table data. Here in the td will write the datas, and in the th will write a headlines. Now we'll try to execute this program. We'll just see like how our tables looks. You can see the goal line. I gave the goal line. Now you can see here like under this image you can see here he got a name. Under the name we got a nap. Under the college name we got a gcem. Under the favorite language we got a c. This is a very basic, what I'll tell, it is a very basic table we have created in the html. Now let us go quickly go with that again. Once again will with whatever that html like code is, we will quickly go with it. And first here we can see it is like a table, like a table tag. It is opening table tag, it is a closing table tag, and tr means it is a rows, like table rows, and th means it is a table headline, and td it is nothing but a table data. In the th, like whatever the headlines we want now, we'll write here, and in the td, like whatever the data we want to store under that headlines, we'll write here. And once if you executed that program, you'll get this output. We'll get to this output. You can see it is like a very basic orbital table in the HTML now we have created. Under the name, we have like a NAP. Under the college, we have like a GCM. Here you can see here like under the favorite language, I have written the C. Okay. Now this is all about this table thingy. And one more thingy, like to understand this in the better, I'll write under the style, like we'll use the CSS now. And no need to worry if you don't know any like CSS now. I'll just explain you whole thingy by using the css language. No need to worry, whatever I'll be writing, no need to worry, I'll explain it later. Fine, I'll write some different code now here under the css. border is equal to 2p solid black. Okay, fine. I took this stuff. Okay. Now we'll go for the HTML, this HTML thingy, and under this title, no, under this title, we'll write here like we need to connect that the CSS, no, the CSS style to HTML. For that, we need to like write this link, link real is equal to, and whatever it is, the no, sheet, style sheet. We need to link, and we need to like write this also. href. No need, or if you don't know anything, no CSS, we'll just go it through it later. For the better understanding sake, I'm writing this stuff now. Style dot CSS. Fine. Okay, now we'll try to execute this whole thingy again. Now in the better way we'll understand. Okay, now you can see like we are getting that borders now, like border lines. Previously it was not there. Like you can see like previous in the previous program without like before CSS, you can see like we don't have any borders, right? Now you can see like we got a borders. Now we got a borders, no? Like same thingy. This is the table. Under this table, we are getting the whatever tell we borders. Fine. Okay, this is all about this for HTML tables. Okay, here also we have like a two attributes in the HTML tables. One is like a row span attribute, another called is like a column span attributes. We'll go one by one. First, we'll go with the row span attribute. What will happen in the row span attribute? If I want to like display a common no common name in the row, we need to like do some changes. That changes we'll discuss. Fine. To do some changes in the row attribution, we need to like come for here like just give me a while. Okay, first we need to come for this program. Fine. Just give me a while. I'll just pause this. Fine. Now we'll see like how to do this like a row span or something. First, for like to make the row span, first we need to come under like anything. I'll come for here like under this table data is there. Under table data, I'll come and I'll write here like first we'll go for row span. I'll write here like row span. Row span I have written like I need a two rows like whatever the two shells are there. No, I'll write. I want to fill up that, and I'll write this stuff. Fine. Now I have written this, and I'll close this stuff again. Okay, we'll try to execute this program and I'll explain everything again. Fine, fine. We have written one spelling mistake here. We'll see. It should come now. Okay, now here you can see like that row spam is there, no rows something. Wait for a minute. First, we'll go with a column. Then you'll understand it's properly. We'll go for a column. Column span. We go with a column span. Okay. I'll try to execute now. Okay. Now here you can see under the nap now you can see under the name and this college is there now. And that nap name is there now. It is taking the two shell space here. It is taking the space of the two shells. Like previously here we kept the name GCM, right? Now that nap is there now. It is taking overall space now. Why? Because we have written here like a column span is nothing but column span is nothing but like whatever the like columns are there now, it will take a two space. And yeah, I'll take an example of now we will take a row also. Row span. Okay, now we'll just give a row span and I'll try to execute this program again. Okay, once you if you go click on go here. Okay, now no, like actually that nap is there, it is actually taking the two rows space, but it is not showing now. I'll just try to like write one more. What will tell? We'll just try to like recreate one more like a data table data now. Then we'll get it to know. We'll write tr. Fine. We'll just try to like write one more thing here under td. Okay, under td we'll write. Now we'll give some different name. Okay, we will give some different name now. And yeah, again one more thingy we'll write td. Now we'll give the college name some different name, AIT or something. Fine. Now again we'll give td Python. Fine. We'll execute again. Okay. Now here you can see now like literal explain everything again. You can see here we have written the row span, right? Row span is nothing but the name, whatever the name we are taking, it will consume the two shells of the row. Like continuously, it will consume the two shells of the row. Here I give the nap like a two, like a row span is there. No, I give the two row span. You can see when I executed this program, you can see like this nap is there. No, it is consuming the two row span. It is consuming the part of that row. You can see here like now nap become the common part in the both name and name. Fine. That again that nexo is there. It is pushed like behind. This is the table how we need to create. Like if I want to like give a common name for the both, now if we can give that also. Now I'll just remove that nexo is there in the name. We'll just remove this nexo and we'll try to execute again. Okay, I'll just go live. I'll just give a go live. Here you can see again, and it is showing that nap is a common name for the both the table. Here you can see, and we'll write one more thing here in between. We'll write a college name also. TD GCM. Fine. Now we give the GCM again. We'll try to execute this program again. Actually, it is very easy, but a few things are very confusing. Okay, now I'll just go through this as a program again. Here we can see like in the headlines. No, it is like a th is nothing but a table headline. TD is nothing but the table data. In the table data, I have created here like a name. Map is there, no, that name. And again, if you come for this again like a downside again the table data here, I didn't mention any name because I want like common name in the both. Instead of writing the nap both time, what I'll write, I'll take a nap as a common name for the and I'll give a row span. That what row span will do, it will take a common name bit in the both the rows. I'll just go through it again. You can see now that nap is there. No, nap is there for a common name for the both the what data type like a table data. You can see we have like a two table data. This is a table data one and this is a table data two. In the both the table data, I have like a name common. I have a common name. You can see common name called a nap. Fine. This is all about for this table or something. Fine. And yeah, this is about the HTML tables. How to create the HTML tables? First, this is the whole code to create a HTML table. And under this also you can mention the headlines also, and you can write the table data, whatever the data you want, like multiple data you can store there. And yeah, coming for this row span attribute. Row span attribute is nothing but here you can see the like whatever the names are there, like any name or anything if you want to like display multiple times in the rows, you can use this thingy. And anything if you want to like mention like common in the both the like rows, you can take this column span attribute also. This is all about for the tables, row span attribute, and yeah, column span attribute. And I think most of you got confused here only. Yeah, like if you have any doubts or something, like you can like text us in the WhatsApp also, and try to join our WhatsApp community. Like go for our website. In the website, you'll find one chatbot. In the chatbot, we have like a feature called join our WhatsApp community. In the WhatsApp community also you can join. And if you have any doubts in this table attributes and table tag, You can just comment it down below. And yeah, this is all about for this HTML tables, like how to create the tables and how to take this row span and how to use this column span attribution. And yeah, most of you, I think most of you now got to know about this table tag also. Now we'll quickly go with the HTML lists. What is HTML list, and yeah, how it is there. And HTML lists are there. No, it is basically used for the grouping. We have sometimes we'll be having some bunch of items with us. Like we want to make them as a group. What we'll do? We'll use that time. We'll use the HTML lists. That time we'll use. In the HTML list also, we have three types of list. We'll go one by one, one by one. One is like a unordered list and order list and like a definition list. Definition list is not that much important, but we'll learn this also. We won't use like a maximum. We won't use like definition list. We'll try to learn this also. Fine. First, again, we'll go with that HTML thingy. Yeah, I'll just remove this, whatever it is there. No, I'll remove everything. We'll just freshly write this stuff again. Fine. Now we'll go with the list. For again, just give me a while. Fine. This is HTML list. No, here we'll go with the one by one HTML list. First, we'll go with the HTML unordered list. Unordered list means what? We'll just execute this code and I'll explain. And the list is there, no? Like whatever list if you want to execute. For that, we have UL. UL, it is nothing but it is like a unordered list. Whatever the U means unordered, L means list. The angular bracket UL, it is unordered list tag. For writing the unordered list tag, we need to come for the VS Code and we need to type here like a angular bracket U L, and we need to close this stuff. And under this we need to write whatever the items we have, no, we need to store. We have to write everything. For that we need to give the angular bracket and we need to give li. Li is nothing but it is a list, total number, total number items whatever we want to mention. I'll write mention everything. I'll just mention my name. Okay, we'll just copy everything. Fine. These are the list. I'll just write something different names. I'll write name, different name. I'll write Hardik, Satish. Okay, I have written some names here. Like these are the bunch of names I want to store. Like I want to what we tell. I want to store in that browser or in the website. Okay, you can see unordered list is a collection of the items which we want to which we want to display on the browser. You can see it is a collections. Like these are the collection of names. No, if I what first will execute this program, the whatever the output will come, we'll just see first. Okay, now you can see clearly the names are there on list of the items. You can see it is displaying now. Nab, Hardik, Satish. These are the names I have displayed here. Like I have displayed, and yeah, you can see it is why it is a unordered something. Fine. It is why it is unordered because here you can see the program here unordered because in the in front of these names we don't have any names, numbers, alphabets or Roman number or something. We have some set of data, some set of items we have means first we need to mention, oh, this is the first item, this is the second item, this is the third item, this is the fourth item. We need to mention the order, order of the data type, or we should mention that order of the items, at what order this item should be kept or something. It's like a randomly organized, it is showing like a randomly organized item or something. You can tell this. Fine. Now unordered. Unordered is nothing but here in the when we execute this program, here we are not getting any Roman numbers, number or alphabets to tell that it is the first item or this is second item. And in many cases, we will get this what it tell by default bullet points or something. And also we can see we can use the square brackets also. For that we need to come here. Okay, in the UI, no, UL, you just click here UL. It is actually UL. Here it is also UL. Fine. Just execute this program again. Fine. Okay, you can see we are getting the bullet points now. This time we are getting the bullet points. This bullet points is nothing but it is what we tell. Fine. It is an unordered list. And if you want to change it, this bullet point to any like a circle or square, no, you can change that also. Now here you can see. Fine. We are getting the bullet points now. If you want to change it bullet points, It is very simple. In the UL, it is there. No, just come for the UL and just type this stuff. Type like what type we want. Like I want like now circular manner or something. Fine. I'll just give you like this thingy. I'll give circular circle or something. We'll go with the square. Fine. We came for the square and we'll execute the stuff again. Okay. Now you can see. Wait for a minute. We'll take a circle or else. Fine. Okay, that we have the bullet points now. If you want to change these bullet points into like circle or any square or anything, you can use the that CSS script. For that, we should use the CSS script. Just see like whether it is possible to execute by this stuff or something. We'll see. If it is executed, it is well and good. Otherwise, we need to go with the CSS script. Okay, now you can see like instead of bullet points, we are getting the circle. Fine. Like previously, you can see it was like a bullet points, right? Now it is showing the circular points, like circular. Fine. Okay, for that, what we have done, we came for this UL means we came for this UL, and here we give a simple command called like type, and we want a circular in that unordered type. We need a circular thingy instead of bullet point. I don't want any bullet points. I want a circular thingy. So we need to give the like shape. If you want a square, also you can do the square. Fine. This is all about for what we tell HTML unordered list. Once we come for the HTML order list, HTML order list is nothing but we are giving the for the items we are giving the numbers, numbers, and we can give the alphabets also. Fine. Now how to do this stuff? Like how to give the namings and numbers, all the thing you can see like step by step. Fine. Here no, instead of this UL, you should give instead of this UL. If I give the OL means that automatically it will become order list something. Fine. Automatically it will become order list. Here I give that you will know. I'll just give here like OL. Now you can see automatically you will get this thingy. Automatically you will get a numbers in front of our like a list of items. Fine. Now you can see like one nap, two Hardik, three Satish, four Kiran. We are getting the numbers. Like in unordered like type, what happens? We are getting the bullet points and circular thingy. We are not getting the numbers now. Now we are getting the numbers. Why? Because we have done some changes here. Instead of that DL like previously, we have given now OL. Now what will happen? Like we are getting the like numbers in front of our like item set of items. This is how we need to not only numbers you can give the Roman numbers, upper alphabets like that too, like capital letters, small letters, whatever the things if you want to like give, you can give that also. Fine. This is all about like order list. And quickly I summarize the list. List is nothing but okay. One more list is left out now. I'll just explain this also. And in the list HTML list, we have another called like a definition list. What exactly this definition list is, I am not going to execute this program. I'll just explain here itself. In the definition list, now what will happen means we'll be writing the headlines. Under the headlines, we'll be writing the definitions. Fine. You can see in the examples here. You can come for this output of this this code. You can see once if you come for this output of the code, you can see. I'll just make it zoom or something. I'll just show. I'll do this slideshow and I'll just show you. Okay, now you can see like is this a HTML headlines, right? Just give me a while. I'll go with that list. Okay. Now you can see here. This is the whole program and this is the output. What exactly it is like a HTML like a definition list means. In HTML definition list, first we'll write the headlines. Under the headlines, we'll write the definitions. That's it. It is very simple. For that, that is also first we need to give this a DL tag. Under the DL tag, we need to give the DT tag. DT is nothing but it is like a telling a definition title. Like whatever definition is there, no. DT means this is a definition title. DD means like a definition, like a what it definition, like whatever the definitions are there, we are writing this stuff. We are describing the definition. That's it. DD means describing the definition. DT means it is nothing but a like a definition title or something. Fine. You can see this is the whole input code, and you can see the output. In the input, you can see in the DT. No, this is the opening tag of DT, and it is the closing tag of a DT. In the in between that, we are writing the content. It is nothing but a title. What title we have written here? Like here we written the HTML. So it is showing in the output HTML, and in the DD means DD is nothing but we are describing the definition. Here in the describing the definition, it is a opening tag, and again it is like a closing tag. In between, you are right. We are describing whole stuff, and here in the output you can see it very. It is very clearly. Fine. This is all about for the list I think. And quickly I'll summarize everything. In the list we have three types. One is like a unordered and ordered, and one is like a definitional list. We'll go for the unordered list. In the unordered list, like whatever the items we are storing, it is like not like given the names. It's not given any numbers. It is just shown with the bullet points or circle or square or some unknown terms or something. That will tell a unordered list. Once we come for the ordered list, in the ordered list we have the numbers. We'll give the some numbers, alphabets, Roman numbers, and in the alphabets also you can give the upper letters, and you can go give the lower letters also by using that order list. For that we have one common different in the unordered list and order list. If you want to give unordered list, that to bullet points or something, for that in that tag is there, no, you should give the OL tag and UL tag, and in the order like order list you should give the OL tag, means order list tag. Here we should give the unordered list tag something. Fine. And in the definition list, we'll give the DL tag, means definition tag. Okay, this is all about for this HTML tags or something. And yeah, this is like a HTML attributes. Attributes are nothing but we are using the SRC, SRC, ALT, and these all are called like HTML attributes. You can go through them one by one later also.